Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a special inside effects in CapCut. Okay, let's get started. First, open your CapCut and then tap on new projects and then import your video and then adjust the ratio if needed. Then choose the part you like. I wanna choose this one. This one. And then just delete the scene after the freeze clip. Like this. Like this. Then just turn the freeze clip into an overlay on top of the white background. Like this. Now just remove the background from the freeze clip. I will use brush. Just tap on remove background and I will use custom removal. Like this. After that, just import a red background and then just make it as an overlay and then just position it like this. And then just go to splice and choose slide like this. Now just add some text. Type anything that you want. And in this tutorial I will use bold font. And I will change the color to black like this. And I will adjust the size like this. And then just add animations. Just choose those that you like. Maybe like this. And then just add the transitions. And then here's the result. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.